honestly one of the reasons why I love being part of a mentorship or like a community of like-minded, because everybody is striving to be better. Not, we're not striving for the same goals or like anything like that, but we are wanting to be better whatever people, investors, businessmen, fathers, mothers, whatever, right? Whatever it is that you're trying to be better. But then you get to surround yourself with people wanting to be better, right? I just don't feel like our society on an everyday life, or at least, where I'm coming from, right? The people I meet like on a day-to-day basis, mindsets are different, and they're not all the same, and they're not I don't expect everybody to think or believe the things I do, but I just love to surround myself with people that do think that the way I do and believe in things that I believe.